Hold on. Anybody looking?
That was Stewart, right?
Yeah. Going for a live shooter.
Put it back in the open.
Yeah, I did. I scratched it out.
Yeah, we couldn't figure out why he was in open. Now we know why.
What was he saying? I'd be getting a different barrel real fast.
150 plus 10, 10, 10.
I think he just paid high dollar for all.
All right, let's load her up. I 190.
Yeah, I'd be getting a different barrel. He's got a grand on that shotgun.
Just saying. It took more time on those fight ones. You didn't realize how much time you had. It's hard to gauge.
Rich for my blood.
Well, after that last experience where I didn't think I was going to hard down the ball. Yeah, the first one had me over trouble seeing the plate. Hey, make sure that's on safe when you load it. Honestly, I'm not going to get it.
Well, I go back and forth over whether I should get another tack gun, but I think we're just going to build a second Sega for Rachel and keep running it open. Well, I'll tell you what. It's like watching you run the Sega. When you have a problem, you know how to address it. Yep. Rachel does too. Yep. So there's no sense in having and honestly, as fast as you can reload it. Yeah. If a war came.
Alright, shooter ready. Stand by.
I can put some rounds down range with it.
Hit.
You can always hit that, but don't scare them.
Hit.
Factor. The thing with the Sega that's weird is the choke. It's like a cylinder on a regular gun. They just have really sloppy loose barrels. And like for these, I had to put a cookie choke in to have a chance of knocking those things down. Does anybody make a decent barrel yet? Not really. The thing with the barrel is you'll have unstable. According to Russian American armory, that's really not a good idea. But my gun, I mean, you think about it, my gun was the first one that I built. And then Jim and I got together and started building guns. So that's like the very first gun. And everybody shot it. And you're doing shit and it keeps running. And I've done some stuff to it after the A&L thing kind of fell apart. It's kind of up a little bit.
There's one behind that one. Hit that one. There's one behind number 3. Hit. 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 One more. All the way to the right. Hit. Not a pretty run, but not a bad run. 130.63.
Good job.